All right, welcome back on our Wednesday evening. Just a reminder, it's a first alert, a weather day, and we've seen severe weather out there this evening. This goes through tomorrow morning. Severe storms late, so basically overnight into tomorrow morning. Could see hail up to 1.75 inches in diameter, wind gust up to 70 miles per hour. Low tornado threat, but as a reminder, earlier this evening, and really about 8 to 9 o'clock, we had a severe tornado warning in effect in Stutsman County. Again, that expired at 9 o'clock. We've seen nothing pop up since then, whether it's tornado warning, whether it's severe thunderstorm warning. So some good news there. But I do want to show you this storm still producing a lot of hail. Very strong winds just now moving through Jamestown and areas north, moving to the east northeast at about 20 miles per hour. Here is that closer look right there. You can see some of those brighter colors, the purple, the dark blue and light blue, indicating where storm is really strong. But again, no warnings at this point. Want to move north. One thing we're seeing, which is very positive, a couple hours ago you look to the south and west of Devil's Lake, we had a fairly strong storm. That has really weakened. It's a good thing to see, because what's happening is these storms moving into much more stable atmosphere environment out there. So again, the hope is we'll continue to see a lack of severe weather, though I do still think we're going to see storms throughout the overnight hours. Take a look again right here. You've got Jamestown just south of Wimbledon, and again, these storms moving off at 20 miles per hour toward the east northeast. A couple photos I want to show you. This sent in by Eric Whitehill, who was actually our storm chaser tracking the storm this evening well off to our west. This in Steele County right around 8 p.m. We had a rain-wrapped tornado. What does that mean? It's a tornado on the ground, and in fact it stayed on the ground quite a while. Hard to see though because of the rain wrapping around that tornado. It was confirmed, and again moving right along 94 earlier, and that storm system itself, that particular cell continues to hug I-94. So here's what we've got. First alert forecast as we head through the evening and overnight hours. Again, what we're going to find is kind of a break here in terms of not seeing much that are going to be severe opportunities. But then you look off to our west. This is about 1 o'clock in the morning, going to move through till about 3 a.m. Notice things start to pop up again here. Devil's Lake Basin, Findlay back through Carrington. So the expectation, how about this? Grand Forks down to just north of Fargo, all the way up to Hallock and then out to the west. So we're not done with strong storms. This doesn't mean these storms are going to be severe, but again, what I can tell you is that opportunity is there. And either way, we're going to see a lot of heavy rain, lightning, the hail, the wind, even if those storms do not become severe. They kind of hang around northwest Minnesota right through early tomorrow afternoon. Meanwhile, the rest of the region starting to clear out. So by mid to late afternoon, a lot of folks are going to be seeing sunshine. If you're farther east, you won't. Here's that severe storm risk for tonight into early tomorrow. Again, area shaded in yellow. That's where we have that slight risk. 68 right now in Fargo, clear sky. 70 in Grand Forks. Again, looking off to our west in Fargo, we do see a few lightning strikes. So again, storms headed toward Fargo at this point. Temperatures right now, mid-60s to low 70s. Not going to see much change at all in temperatures overnight. Day 2, that'd be tomorrow. Storm risk. The heaviest activity, the worst, moves off to the east. We still got a slim chance of seeing a few storms in some areas. Now, let's take a look at our rainfall potential. Potential here between Grand Forks and Fargo to see 2.5, 3 inches. That spreads out into northwest Minnesota. So potential for localized flooding as well. Again, lows in the mid to upper 60s, highs tomorrow on the cool side for this time of year, upper 60s to upper 70s, but sunshine later in the day. That starts a trend Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and beyond. Dry weather, nice weather, lots of sunshine, a little breezy, highs in the 70s and 80s.
A few more hours to get there. That's a nice stretch there for this time.
It's a nice stretch, yeah.
Thanks, Russ.
Yeah.
U.S.